Hi there, welcome to the Code Loft. I'm Adrian. In the last tutorial, we put together a basic quiz app in Thunkable. In this video, we're going to enhance it by adding images to our questions. To do that, we'll use Google Drive as a free and easy way to store and serve our image files. It's a great way to make your app more engaging, and it doesn't cost anything to get started. First, make sure the images you want to use are uploaded to your Google Drive. I've already uploaded the Code Loft logo as an example. To share an image, click the Share button, then change the access to anyone with the link. Once that's done, click Copy Link. Now let's head over to our Thunkable app. We'll start by dragging an image component onto the Start screen. This is where we'll paste the link to our image. In this example, we're going to display the Code Loft logo on the Start screen, using the Google Drive link we copied earlier. The link we copied from Google Drive won't work in its current form. We need to make a small change so that Thunkable can display the image properly. Take the original link and replace the part that says file/d with UCID equals. Then, remove everything after the file ID. That's the section starting from /view. This will give us a direct link to the image that works inside Thunkable. Take the new link we've just created and paste it into the picture property of the image component. When testing image links from Google Drive, you may notice that they appear correctly in the Thunkable Live app on your phone, but don't show up in the web preview. That's because some browsers block Google Drive image links for security reasons. To properly test your app and make sure everything works as expected, always use the Thunkable Live app on your phone. This gives you the most accurate results and reflects how users will experience the app. Now we've got an image working, let's update the object we use for our quiz questions and add a new field called Picture. This will allow us to include an image alongside each quiz question. When we build out our question objects, we'll now include the image URL in the picture field, just like we did with the logo earlier. This makes it easy to pair visuals with each question, helping to make the quiz more engaging and interactive. Remember to edit your URLs when you copy them from Google Drive, like we did previously. Before we can display pictures with our quiz questions, we'll need to add an image component to the quiz screen. Head over to the Design tab, click on your quiz screen, and drag in an image component. Place it somewhere near the top or wherever it fits best in your layout. Now we need to show the image that matches the first quiz question when the screen loads. To do this, go to the Blocks tab, and in the When Quiz Screen Opens block, use the Set Image Picture block. Then grab a Get Property of Object block and pull the picture field from the first question in the list. This makes sure the first image appears as soon as the quiz screen opens. Next, inside the function that handles moving to the next question, we'll update the image again using the same approach. This way, each question will show the right picture. Adding visuals makes the quiz more fun and helps keep users engaged. Now let's test the app using the Thunkable Live app. Open the Thunkable Live app on your phone and sign in with the same account you used to build the project. Once you're signed in, your app should appear. Just tap it to preview. This is the best way to test things like image loading from Google Drive, since some features might not display correctly in the web preview. Check that your quiz screen loads, the image appears, and everything looks good before moving on. One thing we haven't done yet is update the image at the end of the quiz. Earlier, we hid the answer buttons once the quiz was complete. But for the image, we can do something more dynamic. We could display a different image depending on the user's final score. For example, a thumbs up image for a high score, or a try again image for a lower score. This adds a fun, visual reward at the end, and gives users feedback in a more engaging way. To show different images based on the score, we'll use an if block. At the end of the quiz, check the value of the score variable. Then use a set image block to update the image component's picture. For example, if the score is greater than or equal to 3, show a well done image. Else if the score is 2, show an almost there image. Otherwise, show a try again image. This way, users get different feedback depending on how well they did. It's a nice touch to make the quiz feel more personal. You've now built a smarter quiz app with dynamic images and a custom results screen. If you found this helpful, give it a like and subscribe for more Thunkable and app building tutorials. And don't forget, you can grab the full project file from the description below. Thanks for watching. See you next time at the Code Loft.